Good morning, class 8 student. Today we are going to start our new lesson number 17, National Movement. Between the year of 1885 and 1918. As you all know, कि the Indian National Congress was very important event in the history of India. You can say this is a very big political party that has arisen since the movements of independence were continued. But Congress was not born in a day or a two or a year or a two. That means वो एक साल में या 2 साल में या एक दिन में नहीं बनी हुई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है. It has a long history behind the formation of Congress. And keeping in this view, the regional and provisionals needs in India, many political party and social organizations were found, but there are some following dates which help Congress to start its own party. In 1851, British Indian Association was formed in Calcutta. In 1852, Bombay Association was formed in Bombay. In 1852, same year, Madras Native Association was formed in Madras. So different places, different associations were made, and most of the members of these associations belongs to higher class of India. That means they are the big officials or the businessmen who come and form this association. More associations were in 1870, Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, in 1876, Indian Association, in 1884, Madras Mahajan Sabha, and in 1885, Bombay Presidency Association was formed. Okay. So there are many associations, beta, which was being formed at the time of this duration to get united at one political party, and that one political party was Indian National Congress. So there was a need to represent, to take the views of people to form in a national way through a Indian All India organization. सो इट वॉज फेल्ट कि सभी को मिलकर कुछ एक बड़ा एसोसिएशन बनाना चाहिए जो बेसिकली पूरे इंडिया को एक साथ जोड़ सके. एंड हेंस सुरेंद्र नाथ बनर्जी एस्टैब्लिश इंडियन एसोसिएशन इन कलकत्ता. ही वॉज qualified official of Indian Civil Service ICS. He was the first Indian leader who organized the people from different parts of India in December 1883. Basically, all this was being started from many years ago, but a very big step has been taken by Surendranath Nath Banerjee to start this different organization that was a small organization that was held in different areas. Now they have to come and organize in one big association that was named as Indian Association. Again, some national conference were held in 1885 in Calcutta, and hence it comes a time when Indian National Congress was formed. 72 delegates from all the presidencies and provinces of India met at Bombay between the dates of 28th December to 30th December in 1885, which was presidented by Byomesh Chandra Banerjee. Thus, Indian National Congress was born. उस समय Indian National Congress बनी, INC, that is Indian National Congress. Retired British officer A.O. Hume played an important role in the formation of Congress. He established contacts with some of the most important Indian leaders all over the country and received their cooperation in forming the Congress. That means A.O. Hume जो एक ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर थे, उन्होंने दुनिया मतलब देश के बहुत सारे लोगों से बातचीत करी, बहुत बड़े बड़े लीडरों से बातचीत की और उन सब को अपनी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आने को और जुड़ने को कहा। They participated in the first session and all participated in the first session at Gokul Das Tejpal Sanskrit College in Bombay. And under the leadership of W.C. Banerjee, the first session of Congress drew regional representative from India. The issues that were discussed in the first session of Congress was not related to region, religion, caste, language or region, but it was all the Indians. That means हमें किस चीज़ के लिए बात करनी है, वो कोई हमारी जाति, धर्म और इन पे निर्भर नहीं था। वो हमें किस चीज़ के लिए करना था, वो हमें करना था कि हमें पूरी तरह से इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस को एक करना है और हम इंडियंस के लिए क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा है ये हमें डिसाइड करना था। तो यहाँ पे हमें समझ में आता है कि कई बड़े बड़े लोग, बड़े बड़े इंडियन लीडर्स, उन्होंने अपना योगदान दिया और इस तरीके से इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस जो है वो फॉर्म हुई। आज भी वो एक बहुत बड़ी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है, पर कई ऐसी डिफरेंट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ अब इंडिया में आ गई है जो बेसिकली इंडिया में काम कर रही है डिफरेंट पॉलिसीज़, डिफरेंट तरीके से, डिफरेंट सोच से। जैसे आज हमारे जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जो बनी है वो बनी है बीजेपी से एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी न्यू फॉर्म्ड पॉलिटिकल पार्टी। पर एज़ यू नो कि इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस जो है वो सबसे पुरानी है, मतलब जब से इंडिया को इंडिपेंडेंस भी नहीं मिला था उस इंडिपेंडेंस को लेकर हम लोगों ने इस बारे में बात करी है। सो we'll going to continue in the next video. Thank you.